These are the original G's, see? And if you know Royal Blue, make some nice Royal Blue, please. Yeah, man. Him fly all the way from Spain to be here with us. So, for those who are going through any kind of love situation, this one goes out to you. Yeah. My love goes crazy over you. I'm in love with all the things you do. You feel my love, you set the mood. My love goes crazy over you. I'm not used to sharing feelings, babe, that it's a fault of mine. I know there's a damn good reason. Been feeling this way for some time. Everything has its season, and every season's for a time. If you should ever think of leaving, my love goes crazy over you. I try to tell you every day I'm in love with all the things you do. You feel my vibe, you set the mood. Yeah, my love goes crazy over you. She said, Runkus, we need to talk. Why you always there for me, especially when I need you? Always okay for me, why you make me believe you? Why you take your time, why you make me smile? Oh, you're not golden but appreciating my mind. Why not take me out really, why you not take my places? All you change the way me see that scared is really sacred. Scrolling past a picture, do you love it, do you wait it? Why you still looking at your picture in her naked now? Why you don't tweet, why you don't post me on the Insta? Really was showing, getting my skin just like a sprinter, she said. Oh, just remember, any girl you call him baby must come out of my placenta now. Look into her eyes, yeah. Tell me what you see, yeah. She the crazy type, yeah. Really mad with keys, please. Oh, and just remember her. Oh, baby, oh my God. In love with all the things you do. Alright, Bob, how you feeling? All the ladies look so nice, man. Ladies, you look beautiful today. I can't sing a verse for them, real quick. I listen. She bringing me peace of mind. She really the reason why. The vibe right, I smile, grinning at me as a child. Night time, bright time, king on the queer side. She quite fine, pipeline, sitting on the design. Fulfilling my deep desire, she never leave my side. More love your body, more love your soul, spiritually divine. She listen to me always, she could have read my mind. The perfect blessing for work for return of message, just like a touch. I just love it, the nicest of it, feel the vibe of such. Oh my, you're lovely and trying to worry you, enticing with why for hurry and find the love it when it climbing up. Time running and flying from it, never quite enough. Baby, you know it's true. My love goes crazy over you. Oh, my God, say something, please. My love goes crazy over you. I'm in love with all the things you do. You feel my vibe, you set the mood. My love goes crazy over you. Make some noise for yourselves, please. Big thanks. Felix, set up the microphone a minute, please. I know. Original. So when I say G, when I say G, ready? G! G! When I say G, you know, I say G. Again. G! G! When I say G, come on, understand G, understand G! I listen, do what you do, I beg you, say what you mean now. Let me see you with that same energy now. Hold on. I'll be greedy, man. But that's what I'm making it out, so hold on. If you don't love dancehall music, we'll make some nice. And if you don't love reggae music, we'll make some nice. G! 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 Mister, do you keep that same energy now. Yeah, we're there and I blaze up the scene now. Hey, looking at the face of the G's now. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Listen. The same one gonna be out. Since the thing I got low, watching them running it down. Most of it need myself, plus the buffalo was the amount. The line and in the circles, so this is not for clown. So I had a place of a summer with my revolution, I can tell it. Bend the rules of it and Terry. Tell the truth because I smell it. Say my youth are very revolutionary. Greatest, we are motivated favorites. Only we alone forever say this. Going, we are on this in the place to show it. Not for them, so we'll aim on pouring. I'll get to the place and touring. I run the fame and glory. Do what you do, I beg you say what you mean. When you see me with that same energy, can't think of every age and I scream on. Looking at the face of my Gino. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. There you go. Hey. A lot of man don't have the big tune for hype. Also, and a lot of man don't know to use up them voice. And no station is not in a get it under. And now it ain't no matter. Pull up a style like tie like boy them pull up by my energy. Pull up a style like jeans of boy them dead like 9 them a heat. Put them around like me. My hands like a driver when you see it. People tired of them while they drop a line and it's a wheel. Different life, live same place. Different life with the AKs to the people side. It's the AKs. Different side, yeah, like a child. Give it time from 8th grade of a different mind. And a J-Base, or a printer time, it's a different vibes. A, B, C, D, E, then spring. Never try from F to the G. H, I wave by like a beach. J, K, no N, fuck a C. Yeah, M's and N's, so please. Try to Q, R, S, T, the T. U, B's and W turn up an X-Men scene. While they catch a Z's, alphabet for me. Side the king and queen, try to bring a deal. Gamble in them life, joke on them for real. But shining in the Christ, you know, just set me free. Hey, wicked and wild, my spirit apply like me and apply them to me and say and give me advice when the fitness style and some man I die. It's on board, tell my mind, think of the more deserved of life. No one did step boy, they try a similar time, a similar style. They give me a rhythm and give me a rhyme. Give me spirit, give me. You give me a girl, me give them a child. You give them an inch, me give them a mind. Wicked and more wild, but go was a little child. Wait, you want you to go, beg you say what you mean, can't think of every angle I see, looking at them in the body, same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Listen, and I said it, same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, let me try. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. Different style here. I say, same energy, keep that. Same original. Same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. So, I go by the name Runkus, you know, this is Royal Blue, if you never know. I'm a brother for life in a real life. That is it. And anywhere we go in a dance hall, in a reggae, in the world go perform, we have to make sure so we big up Jamaican music. Yeah. We have to make sure we big up the culture. Woo! Jamaica is one look at that on the map and they reach all over the world. It'll make some nice for themselves. Yeah. Don't ever underestimate how amazing you are. Don't ever underestimate how powerful you are. See, the thing them where we look on as bat up and catch. Royal Blue, we've been to Europe and all these places. I'm see people are frightened over jerk chicken pan. Not jerk chicken, the pan way coming up. Like them want bite and put it in them yard as decoration. Because it is artistic, make some nice for themselves. So we can try this one more time. Original. The same energy, keep that. Same energy, keep that. introduce someone and let's all go in and just give thanks every time. That's the part.
How you doing? Welcome to the live downtown Kingston. Taking in the sounds of Runkus. Some of us in the UK, massively down here as well. Came in
What with it? Kingston, check check. St. James, check check. Port check check. Hey, Battlefield. Alright, well check check. Checking yourself, born and reckon yourself. Don't be reckless, depend on the mess. Don't depend on the mess. Not to the head check. Look at yourself if you know the word and the sentence. So supreme venture to present and that's the best bet. We got a lucky fire, 666 of a try. 7 star man a general, if you bring 8 12 up a 9. 9 times if you don't tell, page to me keep quoted. Book a rules, get the back from it, to and on to the hotel. Say lion out, man a chant all night. Insta 5G to the clock. My life still a call from the Lord all day, me a die. Christ we a change my cost, my life, my cost, my life. Open now stop till I'm on pay the price. Me now stop till the people get quiet. My cost, my life. Oh, me now stop till them all pay the price. No, my cost, my life. Oh, me now stop till the people get wise. Jesse, what I said? It's a government to make big stage. Design a soup, but them still cheap. I said, late 19, I better build trade. I still a mention of the youths, them a ill trade. Until them find a clinic for the sickness. Well, clinical when we are sick feet. Small axe still a drop big trade. From the AM to the PM to the FD. My cost, my life. But me not stop till them all pay the price. No, my cost, my life. But me not stop till the people get wise. My cost, my life. But me not stop till them all pay the price. No, my cost, my life. What on? Stick my bro, I ring up my phone, I pick it up, yo, so I breathe. Company alive, what no place, them black dog, can I go road in my team? And the boy, them tell me them bad, but them don't bad like COVID-19. And some of them just stop here from body, I try to control them IG. Ain't no for me sleep all day, all night, we have scrub on IG. Them say I'm scientists, and someone said them know 5G. Them say I'm population control, and the cure a vaccine. One thing I know, the rich are go rich, and then the poor are go clean. Alright, then I'm saying, way before a car, politician in a mask, well, biological war, I wouldn't put it past them. I know it's not lights off, but a wipe all of them lights off, so it might cost my life. My life. But me not stop till them all pay the price. No, my life. But me not stop till the people get quiet. My cost, my life. But me not stop till them all pay the price. No, my cost, my life. But me not stop till the people get wise. Burning on a looting tonight. Stop them burning on pollution tonight.
welcome to the live. So close, welcome to the live.
Burning on a looting tonight.
It's right here, downtown Kingston.
Burning on pollution tonight.
Taking in the sounds of Runkus.
Doing some nice Royal Blues. Original. See? How with it? So, a lot of I might be new to a lot of might not be new to a lot of regardless, this is a new song, like a very new song, like it's unreleased. And it means a lot to me, and I'm kind of shy, you know, so go easy on me. Don't you love, hey, don't you love my body? So that's it. I'm a lot of gold on my skin right now. I feel like it is the donut. Don't you love Bob Marley? Robado in a day dance and party. Then it's drawn, I got money in my pocket tonight. Get a drum, I got a drum party. Never walk with my black top party. Pop it up, cause we let them 145. You might fall in love with that star when the song starts to hum. If you want it, then all I pull up. Cause that's all this, giving me life tonight, the whole time. Say new religion, and now bring to the microphone to fall in love with dancehall when the song starts, you know. If you want it, then all I pull up, cause dancehall is giving me life tonight, the whole time. Can I sing this one more time? Them back up. Let me tell you why this song means a lot. All of us went to the studio and made this song. That not no work. People get rhythm and people, whatever. I don't know what they're doing. But we made this song together. Make some noise to them one more time. Don't you love, hey don't you love Bob Marley? Robado in a day dance hall party. If they don't, I got money in my pocket tonight. If they don't, I got enough from money. Never walk with my black party. Pop it up, cause tonight them 145. You might fall in love with dancehall when the song starts to ring up. If you want it, then all I pull up, cause dancehall is giving me life tonight, so hold tight. Giving me life tonight, so hold tight. Don't you love when the music, yeah, when it hits and you feel no pain on top? How can I lose it, yeah, when I lost myself inside this song? New religion, I love it when the trumpet sound. New religion, and I bring to the microphone to fall in love with dancehall when the song starts to ring up. If you want it, then all I pull up, cause dancehall is giving me life tonight, so hold tight. Giving me life tonight, so hold tight. Give thanks. I was nervous, guys.
Surely no.
Yeah.
Doing good, doing good.
Give thanks. I mean a lot to me. I have a lot of new music to come out, and that's one of them. And when a lot of us here are creatives and artists, see? And every single artist I know is nervous about their music and their art. I just met Andrea. Where is she? She's there somewhere. She is a very, very big reason why this is a big thing. So first of all, make some noise to Andrea and all of Kingston Creative. Big respect, love every time. She was talking to me about just art and everything, and I was like, can I see it? And she's nervous. And no, saying like, me, you know much time, me put. No, man, that means so they never did hear it. But that's how I couldn't know straight. Say, to share your art is a nerve-wracking thing. So when I say, don't feel like say the artist them brave. When the artist them brave, when they will know. When they say something where make them, where nobody else no want them say. When they play some music when nobody else now play. When they choose to be yourself, when everybody else choose to be something else.
Yes, come on. That part right there.
For all of my life, them tell me how to be. So man say, but this is,
This is you being you. Fantastic. Live your best life.
just do the song for the carry song. Now carry knife, carry gun. Don't love, don't carry, don't feel alive. This is another song for the get a use to you. Look at life, cause them shoot you. No one chance to make it a use to survive. How does it feel to be part of the streets? But how does it feel? Got me so bittersweet. Feel when you try, thought of your mind, just to survive. How does it feel? Got me so bittersweet. The garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, in the garrison. And I tell you now, this will come from in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, from the garrison, from the garrison. And that's what I'm making the put my roots and track of a rima. Oi, I'm like gas me and shoot them youth under the visa. Some kind of unbelief in the jungle, keep the same procedure. And the places feature Rastafari, raise the meter, take a seat and I took on the throne. All the island can't go round. All the got a coral, got a not no better rose. You walk a mile in on my shoes. You don't probably sell your soul, but all like when it cold. So watch yourself like any cold. Many killers pay the toll. Poor words in a gazette. You have a media can't go round. You have a speech you can't go round. So try to read up hunger. Hey, living concrete jungle, get a life is set in stone. Downtown and central, I don't like when them man them gun rise like when tax raise up higher strength. And man rise like when tax raise up higher strength. Gunkers and Dunkirk, Dunkers are run earth, man don't touch jungle, no gunshot bust round prep. Walk more still I carry 4 in a, but up there if you just stalking Selassie. Big party vibe in a dance outside, every get no alright, body no fight. Some string up nice, mic check 151. Police and bad man are all a vibes. Woman in a them price, everything different. Who are Jesus Christ? Oh my. Don't ever lose faith, don't ever lose sight. The garrison like nice. So if you're keeping a session, I want to play a zero. Oh no, pass smart kid, I walk with 8 tigger. Oh no, live up there for me and then me and me back. Oh no, ram dancer, got the place people. And if you're keeping a session, I want to play a pop up. Oh no, all of the D's and the place mash up. Oh no, all the pretty bars and the place back up. Oh no, hold on, another. Well, if you're keeping a session, done a artwork. Oh no, one for the rails and me start talk. Oh no, walk start talk in a dance hall. Oh no, ram up reggae and me mash up dance hall. Oh no, garrison, the garrison, from the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, the garrison, from the garrison, from the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, in the garrison, from the garrison, from the garrison, from the garrison. Give thanks. You ready for us to leave? No. just a text, small text, no part.
Yeah,
So, I want to do something for me one more time. But they're going to ask you a vibe check, but I feel like the vibe is right. I'm not going to check the vibe.
yes.
If we rule the world, if you rule the world, where do you think you're going to defeat? Say a day. If you rule the world. Make some nice things. See, if I rule the world, nobody would have poor. Bring hospitality, they would have poor more. If I rule the world, if you rule the world, if I rule the world, anywhere you go, outside, outside, we outside. Money where you wanna get. I'm the money where you need like. I'm the money where you breathe like. I'm trying to sell real money is the riches in my life. Mommy said I'm putting a girl on my head. So my bring a new chain on my neck. When I say a crusade, I set cross tender. Bigger than a church banquet. Telephone, free up every day. Straight cash, we no take. New cheap, no wonder be a fresh boy. You want these people money and I get that way. Never be rich and get a port where you feel. Talk about the bricks, support or school fee. Jockey with bricks, will come and story why I breathe. So why I breathe? No, if I rule the world, nobody would have poor. Free hospitality, would have poor more. I rule the world if you rule the world if I rule the world. Tell them why I got outside. So outside, we outside. Money where you want like, money where you need like. Money where we are free like. When you can't get mad like I dance all of the day. Listen, none of them can reach like a king. Why you think man I live like a king? Can't stop because the size of the link man I build. Buy a hill, city house, then a house by the hill. Wait, let me buy a house to redeem. Then buy a house on the hill. House to the G's and a house to the king. I'm a king and she did that. Give me the money, give me your money, give me the money, give me your money, give me the money, give me the money, Give thanks. So the last thing I'm going to do before we leave, see, I just want to make sure you know, say, I want to have untapped potential that is beyond your own imagination. Put your faith in something bigger than you. Your art, the almighty, life, the universe. Art to me is the way you communicate with a higher frequency. It's just letting go and, you know. Give thanks to my Jah, Rastafari. Everyone's finding the balance. That's what it is again. Alright, watch this one. Everybody, hey, vibes. What's it on? Vibes. Hey, you know what? Vibes. You know what I bring? You know what I mean? Lift them up. We're alright out there? No, we're alright? I'm gonna do a vibe check one more time. You are G, man, went to bed. Shaka D was 93, brother me road, let do did I work like a nerd, I killing the verse, I village, I bear from my bird, the rhythm, the word, the stupid, the words, I'm working straight to work.
Thank you. Oh, Mr. Sharp, let us move on up to the front. Thank you very much. I just want to say thank you to everybody who came out today to the art festival. I must say, truly immensely words cannot express how thankful we are for having you guys here today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again. When? Next month.